How to upload pictures in Pinterest. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. Here you will find quick and easy tutorial videos on diverse range of topics. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to upload pictures in Pinterest. Open the app. This is the homepage of your Pinterest app. Below you can see some icons there. Click on that plus icon. Click on Pin. Now select the picture you want to upload. Then click on Next at the top right corner. If you want to add title to your picture, you can add here and a little more description about it. You can also see other options here. If you want to change any of them, you can select them. If not, click on Create and move on. It will take some time. And your pin is published. Click on View and here it is. You can also click on Profile icon to view your pin. Click on Pins here. Then click on Created by You. And these are the pins that you have posted. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.